All right, this is the first video taking up the quiz, the forces quiz from just before the break. I'm going to skip the first three questions because they are really straight knowledge questions that you can look up online, and I prefer that you find the information for yourself, but I do want to have a look at this one here. This one is asking, what's the tension in a rope for a mass that's being suspended from a ceiling? The mass is 15 kilograms, so it's just holding it up. So a couple things you need to do here. If you're having trouble with it, I mean, some people will be able to leap straight to the answer, but if you are having trouble, my suggestion is first you ask, what is the question asking for? It's asking for a tension force. So put that in to remind yourself that that's what you're doing. Second thing is to get a picture. Draw a force diagram. So here's our mass, 15 kilograms, and there are two forces acting on the mass. We've got tension force holding it up and gravity pulling it down. And I'm going to draw those arrows equal, roughly equal in size, because these two must be balanced, because according to Newton's laws, this mass is not accelerating, so the forces on it have to be equal and opposite, balanced. So the tension force is equal to the forces of gravity. In this case, the force of gravity is equal to the mass times gravitational acceleration at Earth's surface. We can plug our numbers in now. We can say 15 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared, which gives us, bear with me while I pull out my calculator, because that's a lot faster than making you watch me do it by hand, 147.15 newtons, because kilogram meters per second squared is newtons. So this is our answer. Now we're given two significant digits in the question, so we have to reduce this to two significant digits, which means we've got to take that 7 and round it. That's going to round things up, so it's going to be 150 newtons. So our answer, 150 newtons.